This video looks at how to create DIDs and Web3 names using Polkadot JS Apps. First, go to the polkadot.js.org website and then click on App Wallet. When that page has loaded, click on the arrow icon and then choose the KILT Spirit Net. And then you can choose switch to that network. Make sure you have an account selected and set in the Polkadot JS wallet extension. And if you don't have one, you can create it by clicking on the plus icon to create a new wallet. Do keep in mind you have to have enough funds to create a DID. And then when that is set up, we can go back to the developers dropdown and select extrinsics. Here, you can now choose the account that you want to use. In this case, this is the account from the wallet extension. Then click on Submit the following extrinsics. Scroll down that long list and find DID. And from the drop down to the right-hand side of it, select Create from Account. And then you can choose your authentication key and accounts. It should automatically detect the accounts from the browser extension. And now, with everything set, click the Submit Transaction button. Make sure that the sign and submit slider is enabled and then click the sign and submit button. This will then sign the transaction. You'll need to put in your password. It will take a little bit of time to complete. And then when it is, you now have the DID. You can also create a Web3 name. In order to do this, also go to the developer menu, to the extrinsics, and again select the correct account and change the second drop-down to dispatch as, and the call to Web3 names, and then claim in that last drop-down. Choose the Web3 name you would like. In this case, this is going to be KILT Nerd 123, and then submit the transaction. Again, make sure that sign and submit slider is enabled and click the sign and submit button. The extension will ask for your password again, and you can sign the transaction. Again, that will take a little bit of time to complete. Once it has, you can then double check that by looking on sites like w3n.id, type in the new DID, KILT Nerd 123, and there you can see it. And you can look even further with services like Universal Resolve. It has the record of the DID. Here on Universal Resolver, you can see the Web3 name and a lot more details besides, including the DID document that shows the keys that we used.